Express, Fastest Mail in the West by Dale Ryder, illustrated by Kunio Hachio. Wanted, expert rider under 125 pounds, must be tough, loyal, and honest. Pony Express. Young Johnny Thrive thought that described him pretty well. He signed up and became the first rider on the Pony Express. The date was April 3rd, 1860. Before that day, it could take up to a month for mail to travel across the country, but the mail that left St. Joseph, Missouri that day would arrive in San Francisco just 10 days later. The Pony Express would be the fastest mail service ever. An excited crowd gathered and watched as Johnny put a special, very light saddle on his pony. Over the saddle lay a thin piece of leather called a mochila. A mochila is Spanish word for knapsack. It had pockets in its four corners. The pocket called cantinas held the newspaper, letters, and telegrams that the Pony Express rider would take to California. At 7 p.m., Johnny set off. Everybody waved and cheered as he rushed away from them. Johnny rode on through the Missouri night. Johnny rode every 10 to 12 miles. He pulled up to a station to change horses. In less than 2 minutes, he threw a mochila onto the fresh horse and dashed off again. Johnny and his pony took a ferry across the Missouri River into Texas, then speed across a flat prairie. Then, after 60 miles and 8 hours of riding, Johnny passed the mochila onto another rider. New rider took over every 60 to 75 miles. They rode over the dusty plain, waded through rivers, and climbed over the rugged Rocky Mountains. They rode all day, west with the sun. They rode all night under a dark, lonely sky. The last rider on the route was William Hamilton. He pulled into Sacramento on April 13 and put the mail on a steamer ship for the quick run to San Francisco. The mail had been delivered in 10 days as planned. In fact, it was 2 hours early. At about the same time, there was a celebration in St. Joseph, Missouri. The Pony Express had just arrived there 10 days after leaving California. The Pony Express had kept its promise. The end.